This is how you sign up for eXp Realty as a real estate agent step by step. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website, exprealty.com/join, and click on apply as an agent. Then you're going to want to fill out all this info and click on create account. And once you click on create account, it's going to send your username and password to your email along with a link. So you're going to want to check your email and then go from there. After you sign in, you'll be able to start seeing the progress on your application. And this application only really takes about 10 or 15 minutes, but it will kind of ask you for some specific information. So do your best to fill it out as much as you can. Now, step 2 of the application, this is the sponsor information. So this is probably the most important part. This is where the rev share comes in. So you definitely don't want to leave that blank. There's actually a lot of people that leave it blank. So you want to choose somebody, you want to find the person that influenced you the most to join eXp. And if you don't have someone that influenced you the most to join eXp, then I would recommend putting my name down. And I'll give you a few reasons why. For agents that join with me, I offer one-on-one mentorship. Now, why would you want to be mentored by me? Well, I'm an active real estate investor. So currently I do some small multifamily investing. I own 4 small multifamily buildings right now. I also do a few flips per year. So if you're looking to get into real estate investing and off-market deals, I can probably help you add a few of those every single year to your pipeline. Also, if you're interested in video marketing, I currently have the most watched DC area real estate YouTube channel, and I'm also in a couple YouTube groups with some pretty high-level YouTubers, and I can help you build out your YouTube channel as well. Lastly, if you're looking to build your real estate agent business, I'm currently in the Fast Forward movement, which is a group within eXp, and it's basically free mentorship every single Monday, led by 2 of the top agents in eXp, Kyle Whistle and Dan Beer. So you can pretty much ask them any questions you want and also collaborate with other top agents from across the country. Now, if you don't sign up with me, that's completely fine. eXp offers a lot of amazing benefits to agents. However, you won't get access to those 3 things that I just mentioned. So when you're looking for my name, actually search by my phone number. It's a lot easier to find it that way. So that's 703-472-1234. And you can also call or text me if you have questions about signing up.